In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes on GoHighLevel. First, sign into your GoHighLevel account. From your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and open the Payments section. This is where all billing, products, and promotions live, so it's the right place to manage discounts. Inside Payments, select Coupons to open the Coupon Management area. Click the Create Coupon button to start a new one. Begin by giving your coupon a clear descriptive name. Think of this as an internal label you and your team will recognize later, like Summer Launch 20% or VIP $50 off. Next, move to the coupon code field. This is the exact text customers will enter at checkout. You can type your own code or click Generate to let the system create a random one. If you create your own, keep it short, memorable, and consistent, uppercase letters, no spaces, and avoid look-alike characters to reduce errors. Choose your coupon type. If you want a percentage discount, select percentage and set the rate, such as 10 or 20. This scales automatically with the price of the item. If you prefer a fixed amount, pick fixed and enter the currency amount you want to deduct. Fixed discounts work well for dollar off promotions or when your product pricing is standardized. Set the validity window so your promotion starts and stops exactly when you intend. Choose a start date and time if you're planning a future launch or set it to begin immediately. Then select the end date and time to define when the offer expires. Double check your time zone and make sure the end time comes after the start time to avoid conflicts. Now, configure usage rules and restrictions. If you want to control scarcity or protect your margins, limit the total number of redemptions. You can also restrict the coupon to selected products so it applies only to specific items, courses, or plans rather than everything in your catalog. To prevent abuse, enable the option to limit use to once per customer. This typically keys off the buyer's email and helps ensure fairness. If your products include subscriptions, review the recurring payment settings. Decide whether the discount should apply to the first billing cycle only or continue across multiple renewals, depending on your promotional strategy. When everything looks good, click Create to save your coupon. You'll see it appear in your coupon list ready to use. Keep the code handy for your emails, checkout pages, or sales campaigns, and make sure your team knows the rules and expirations so customers get a smooth experience. That's it. You've created a discount code in GoHighLevel.